Who? Navegantes, I guess. So we're gonna walk down that street with all the kind of cool stuff. We filmed another one. That was this one, so it's kind of connected if you saw this video. Okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is going to be our focus. Before we go down it, this was the other one that we did, which was Pont Caixa de Coloane. There's some people here. There's a little temple here. Let's kind of check out this temple real quick. Got a temple in there. It overlooks the ocean right there, so you got ocean right there as well. So let's just kind of check out the street a little bit. Got some fish first off. Dried fish. Goes all the way in the back. In the back they have a nice living room way back there by the waterfront. Amazing. Nice little shrine too. Nice place to live. You'd be able to live right there. In between the two. Another restaurant right there. Got this little space in here. It's nice. Looks nice in there. It's kind of interesting. Little alley that goes right down to the water. But I think we'll see some other water access too in different places as well. It's another water access space. Portuguese black and white tiles. So I did another video, this one, so I'm gonna just go back and show it again right now. Hopefully I remember to put it in here. Now we're back. If I did that right and I put it in there, we're back. And now we're back on that street. So we're just gonna keep on walking down these ones. We also did another one where we were over there as well. A little temple, so if I do this right, I'll add that one there too. That one. So hopefully I added both of those in. If I didn't, you have to go back and look for them. It's kind of cool, that stuff up there. I'll just kind of see. I think there's somebody. Just kind of walk. See what's here. I just saw that guy with the camera, so let's see if he came in at it anywhere. Nope. Oh. That one is kind of a cool little space right there. So I guess he must have filmed in here. Okay, so let's kind of keep on going then. That's that little temple right there. The sun is kind of bright. There's another in between buildings area. That yellow one looks beautiful, right? This little alley goes all the way down. A nice beautiful yellow building too. Another little in between, goes all the way down to the water. In between. Goes down that way. Another little space. I can fly high, I can go long, it says right there. It's like you could also walk into this little area too. It's like sand right there, kind of goes down, follows the trail a little bit. It's like you can also, whoever lives here must also have this space, like a little living room. So yeah, nice little street, right? We're gonna come up to the ending in a minute. It's another little bar. So this one right here looks kind of cool too. Also because you have this giant tree, right? And then we're gonna end it in a minute. Just see. A little pier that goes all the way out. It's hard to see the bright sun. So we're gonna head back down this way and just see. And you got all this too. That's that pier right there, straight ahead. And that one right there too, goes all the way down. And it looks like this one has a different street name, so let's just kind of capture this real quick. So this is actually called Avenida de 5 de Octubre, and this one would cover that street right there. But then this street would go straight down that way, which is what we followed. And then we also have a main street right here too, so let's just see if we can get across. So it looks like this is also actually called Lago da Matadoro. That one right there. So I don't know if maybe the lago is on this little space. So we'll just walk down a little bit down, kind of give you some context of this side of the street anyways. Then we'll probably end the street in a minute. There's large stoves. Very famous place. And then I think we'll just end it right there. So that was our street right there. Kind of cool building. We'll end it right there. Toma cuidado la